Get into the 2022 Nissan Rogue Sports. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. Start planning your family road trips in this comfortable, well-equipped Rogue. This clever crossover offers plenty of space and thoughtful creature comforts to keep your crew relaxed and eager for adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, proximity key entry, navigation system, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, fog lamps, backup camera, heated mirrors. Feel energized in this sporty Rogue. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.